BAW Calorie 8300 USD pickup truck. Production started in China. You may notice that in recent years, Chinese automakers have a trend of making their cars more expensive. They launch high-end brands, add various tech to their cars, and enhance their appearance. As a result, they're getting more and more expensive. And if you've missed those simple and cheap vehicles, BAW has made their 8300 USD calorie pickup truck just for you. Let's get acquainted with this old school gem. BAW Beijing Auto Works is a stand-alone company that used to be a part of BAW. It is well known as a manufacturer of the iconic BJ212 SUV, developed in 1963-64. Nowadays, BAW expands into small EVs, but it still doesn't give up the production of these old-school cars. Moreover, BAW has officially launched the production of the BAW Calorie pickup truck with an unbelievable price tag of 60,000 RMB, 8,270 United States dollars. The general appearance of the BAW Calorie is simple. It has got a traditional pickup truck body shape with a four-door cabin. Its front end got a large grille, a pair of big and simple headlights, fog lights, and a modest bumper. Worth mentioning that the Calorie can be equipped with off-road 245/75 or 16 tires. The BAW Calorie goes into versions. The first one has a short wheelbase. Its dimensions are 5,270 1,900 per millimeter. It is 122 millimeters shorter than the Toyota Tacoma. The second version got a long wheelbase and dimensions of 5,520 1,990 per millimeter.